I'm Dereniece, a single mom to 3 little kids. Before I get started, I just want to say, why didn't anyone warn me that setting up lights and stuff to record videos would be so darn hard? Trying to make sure I ain't got no lipstick on my teeth. But anyway, I thought it might be nice to do an introduction to express why I decided to start blogging. I've always wanted to blog. If you ask with my friends, they would tell you this is something that I've been working on for years. I've created so many logos, so many different names, content, just about everything. But I've always let fear get in the way. And a lot of people may not know, but I struggle with this thing we call perfectionist. And I just wanted things to be on point pretty much. I had this thing that I didn't want errors in my writing. I didn't want errors just in anything. I wanted my blog to be perfect. And I had this thing that I wanted to be at a certain point in my life before I started blogging. I wanted everything pretty much to be going great in my life, but I had to turn to God, and He reminded me that I would never be perfect. So I had to turn to Him and allow Him to cleanse me from my perfectionist ways. And I came across this scripture, Isaiah 41:10, and it says, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Sometimes when I talk, I stumble over my words because I try to talk fast. But that scripture there gave me so much peace, and it was a reminder that God would help me along the way, especially with an assignment that He has given me, if you know what I mean. So I firmly believe that we all have a gift, and it just so happens that God has blessed me with the gift for writing. And since I was a little girl, I always loved writing in my black and white composition notebook. I always remember this memory. Maybe I was 4th or 5th grade, writing in my composition notebook about my day. And it's just something that just went with me throughout life. And I know that at some point I will be a best-selling author if I just let the fear take the back seat. So I'm finally ready to step into my calling. I have a story to tell, and I believe in my heart that if I share my story, I can help set a lot of women free like myself from bondage and other things that they may be dealing with in life. I feel my blog is a place where all women can come together and help empower one another, because I feel that we rise by lifting others. And I pray that my blog is a place where you can unleash your feelings and be comfortable with knowing that it's fine to be open about how you truly feel about things without feeling judged. So I have to ask you, are you ready to unmask yourself from the views of society? And I want you to leave a comment and tell me your story below. So I look forward to getting to know you better, and as well as you all watching me grow and I watch you grow, and we just do this thing together. So until next time, I'll see you.